Hello everyone, welcome to Cooking with Me channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make stir-fry crispy pork belly and holy basil. Here is ingredients. Right, I'm going to pick some jalapeno pepper, bird's eye chili, and holy basil that I have grown in my sunroom. Look, it is Thai holy basil, jalapeno pepper, and bird's eye chili. The first step is to prepare the curry paste, pounding the bird's eye chili and garlic like this, and set aside. And next step is prepare all ingredients. Add 2 tablespoons of the cooking oil in the pan, and after the oil heat, add curry paste and stirring about 1 minute until the curry paste fragrance, and then add crispy pork belly. Add some water, stirring for about 1 minute, and add the chili and seasoning with soy sauce, oyster sauce, sugar, and then fish sauce. Add some water. Let's cooking over medium heat about 3 minutes. It's time to tasting. So good. And then add the holy basil and stirring about 1 minute. Here we go, stir-fry crispy pork belly and holy basil, ready to serve. Thanks for watching. See you next video.